Hi, in this video I'm going to add some code to my linear search so that not only does it tell me whether or not I've found an 18 in my data set, I'm actually going to say which people are 18. So I'm going to put person number, and the person number is the value of index. So let's just move that back to there. And I'm going to concatenate, that's what the ampersand does, the index value I'm going to concatenate the index value to tell to indicate which person. So I'm going to let's put and return. And this time I'm going to say after field, just in case there's more than one person. So I'll need to put empty into that field just to clear the field. So as it goes round the loop from 1 to n, if it finds an 18, then person number 3 or 5 is 18, and that should go into there. And I don't really want it to say yes at the end, so I'm just going to change that so that if found is still false, I started off at false, and if it's still false at the end of the loop, then I won't have found anybody who's 18, and it will put no in the field. Now, just before we show that working, I'm just going to change this so that it reads if not found. Found is a Boolean variable, so it will evaluate to either true or false, and the not will invert that value. So if this expression evaluates to true, then it will put no in the field. So if found is false, the not will invert it, it will become true. So that expression will have the value true, and it will put no in the field. If it did find a value, so that that's true, the not will invert that and it'll be false. So the value of that expression is false, and so it won't put no in the field. Right, so let's get some data. Let's just do 5 elements this time. So 12, let's make sure we've got an 18, 23, 56, 24. And anybody aged 18, person number 2. Well, let's display the data. That's right. Now let's just check that it works for 2 people, let's say. So we'll get the data. Let's do 5 elements. Well, let's do 6 so you can see the parameters working. So I'll do person number 1. So that would be a piece of extreme testing because it's the very first element. Let's do person number 3 and person number 6. So I'm testing my extreme data. Let's display the data. So I've got 18, 18 and 18. So I have a piece of normal positioning, if you like, and this is my extreme positioning here. So anybody aged 18, I've got 1, 3 and 6.